thorough investigation is underway to determine the circumstances surrounding the September 3 tug and barge collision with the Demerara Harbor Bridge. More in this report. Minister within the Ministry of Public Infrastructure, Paul Sharma, appearing as a guest on NCN's VOG's Insight Radio program, said the port state-controlled inspection will cover several issues.
That inspection will determine what may be the cause. If there was any issue with the vessel itself, the engine, the issues with the crew, why the anchor, where the anchor. So they will examine the records and things of that nature. The police will look at any maybe any criminal responsibility. If it could be a form of sabotage, is not far-fetched. So it's an active investigation.
The minister explained that vessels approaching the Demerara Harbor Bridge should be under the control of a Transport and Harbors River pilot who would be familiar with the area and do's and don'ts. This was not done allegedly.
You wouldn't expect an international vessel approaching the bridge and doesn't have a local person advising or being on board.
On the other hand, Minister Sharma commended the efforts made by the Demerara Harbor Bridge's management, engineers and workers who effected bridge repairs within 36 hours of the collision. Transport and Harbors and MARAD's efforts to secure passage for river commuters were also commended.
Within a matter of hours, they could arrange for the water taxi, speedboats to be used efficiently, effectively. That will be MARAD responsibility, whilst Transport and Harbor responsibility was basically to ensure the security of the commuters. I could say the two ends of that river there, the port where a person would have to embark and disembark. I could say it's handled, thousands of persons.
Bridge manager Ralston Adams stated that the cost for repairs effected to the bridge will be carried by the owners of the tug and barge that slammed into the facility. The Demerara Harbor Bridge was forced to close on September 2 after a tug and barge drifted into the bridge, shifting its alignment and loosening the anchorage.